Welcome back to my channel MSI Recipes. This is Selena Mnesis. Are you wondering how breads are prepared by professional bakers? Then listen. It's just matter of flour, water, yeast, sugar and salt. And it's so simple that you can bake it too. There are a variety of breads being baked all around the world. In today's video, let me teach you how to make soft stuffed bread at home. Trust me, cooking is fun, especially when you experiment and modify recipes. So let's begin. To make breads, we need all-purpose flour 2 cups plus 2 tablespoons, 1½ cup milk, 200 gram or 1 cup shredded boiled chicken, instant dry yeast 1½ teaspoon, 1 large egg, 2 tablespoon milk powder, 2 tablespoon sugar, 1/4 cup oil, salt 1 teaspoon, 1 tablespoon pepper powder, 40 grams butter, finely sliced 1 large onion and 1/4 teaspoon garam masala. At first, we need to add warm water to dry yeast plus 1 tablespoon of sugar and give it a stir. Cover and keep it aside for 5 minutes and allow it to rise. After 5 minutes, let's make the dough. For that, we need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, add in 1 tablespoon sugar, half teaspoon salt and 2 tablespoon milk powder. Now let's mix up dry ingredients so that it gets combined well. Once you're done, add 1 egg, half cup milk and mix it. Now add 1/4 cup oil. Now let's add mixture of yeast. Mix it well. Add extra flour if required to knead the dough. Apply oil or butter so that dough doesn't stick to your hands. Kneading is very essential process of making bread. The more you knead, the softer it becomes. Once you're done with kneading, place the dough in a greased mold or container. Apply some butter over it. Make sure that you place it in a bigger container so that there is enough space for dough to rise. Cover it and keep it aside for at least 2 hours. Meanwhile, let's prepare stuffing. For that, add 25 gram to 30 gram of butter in a pan. Melt it. Add sliced onions and saute it until it becomes soft. Now add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and 1 cup of milk. Make sure that you add milk little by little. Do not pour entire milk together. Now add some spices like 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala. It is optional. 1 teaspoon pepper powder. Now add half teaspoon of salt and mix it well. Let's add shredded chicken and mix it well. Once it is cooked well, add in coriander and keep it aside. Our dough is nicely risen. Now we need to punch so that we can remove the extra air bubbles in it, and we need to knead it again until it becomes soft. If required, you can also apply either oil or butter to your palms so that it doesn't stick to your hands. Once you finish kneading, divide the dough into small pieces. Flatten the dough using rolling pin. Now fill in chicken stuffing. I have used chicken. You can use any stuffing of your choice. As long as you know to bake, life is sure to be sweet. Let us now give shape to the bread. Now bread can be made of any shapes and size of your choice. I'm using here is a locked bread shape. You can either roll it or use your creativity or simply make a bun. Once you're done with shaping and sizing, apply egg over the bread. And sprinkle sesame seeds. Now place the baking tray into the oven and keep it for 10 more minutes before baking. After 10 minutes, turn on the oven, set temperature at 250 degrees Celsius and bake it for 15 to 20 minutes. Now finish making rest of the breads by using the same method, and as I said earlier, you can use stuffing of your choice and make it of any shape and size. Once you're done with baking, give a finishing touch by applying melted butter. And the delicious stuffed bread are ready to be served. OMG, just have a look at the amazing outcome of home baked breads. I can't wait to have a bite. Do you feel the same? Then what are you waiting for? Hurry up and get all the required ingredients and give a try to bake a perfect delicious bread at home. Thanks for watching. See you next week with new amazing recipe. If you like my video, then give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more recipes.